Good morning. Today topic it is a blood. So blood is a fluid of connective tissue and it is also known as a fluid of life, fluid of growth and fluid of health. So fluid of life, it carries the oxygen from lungs to all parts of the body and carbon dioxide from all parts of the body to the lungs. So it is called as a fluid of life. Fluid of growth, it carries because it carries the oxygen, carries the nutritive substances from the digestive system and hormones from endocrine gland to all parts of the tissues. So it is called as a fluid of growth. Fluid of health because it protects the body against the disease and gets rid of the waste products and unwanted substances by transporting them to the excretory organs like kidneys. So it is called as a fluid of health. Then properties of your blood. So it is a red in color, a normal blood volume is a 5 liter, and for newborn baby it contains a 450 ml, and it contains a alkaline, slightly alkaline pH, and blood is a 5 times more viscous than the water. Then composition of your blood. So blood contains formed elements and plasma. So blood cells are red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets, and red blood cells also called as the erythrocytes, and white blood cells are also called as the leukocytes, and platelets are also called as the thrombocytes. And plasma, it contains a 91 to 92% of water and 8% of solids. The solids are the organic and inorganic, and it is a straw colored clear liquid. And serum, it is a plasma minus fibrinogen, and it is a clear straw color red fluid that oozes out from the clot. So this is the picture. So plasma contains here solids and water and gases, and solids are organic substances and inorganic substances. This is the composition of your plasma. Then functions of the blood. So in functions of your blood, it contains 9 functions. First one, it is a nutritive function. Second one, it is a respiratory function. Third one, it is a excretory. And fourth, it is a transport of hormones and enzymes. Fifth is a regulations of your water balance. Sixth is a regulations of your acid-base balance. Seventh is a regulations of your body temperature. Eighth is a storage functions. Ninth is a defensive functions. So first is a nutritive functions. Nutritive substances like glucose, amino acids, lipids, vitamins are derived from the digestive foods or absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract, and it is carried by blood to different parts of the body for growth and productions of energy. So next is the respiratory functions. So this is the transport of the respiratory gases is done by the blood, and it carries oxygen from alveoli of the lungs to different tissues and carbon dioxide from tissues to the alveoli. Then excretory functions, waste products formed in the tissues during various metabolic activities are removed by blood and carried to the excretory organs like kidney, skin, liver, etc. for excretions. Transport of your hormones and enzymes. The hormones which are secreted by ductless endocrine glands are released directly into the blood. The blood transports these hormones to the target organs, tissues. Blood also transport the enzymes. Regulations of your water balance. Water content of the blood is freely interchangeable with interstitial fluid, and this helps in the regulations of water content of the body. Then regulations of your acid-base balance, plasma proteins and hemoglobin act as buffers and helps in the regulations of your acid-base balance. Then regulations of your body temperature because of the high specific heat of the blood, and it is responsible for maintaining the thermoregulatory mechanisms in the body that are the balance between heat loss and heat gain in the body. Then storage functions. Water and some important substances like proteins, glucose, sodium, potassiums are constantly required by the tissues, and blood serves as a ready-made source of these substances, and these substances are taken from blood during the conditions like starvation, fluid loss, electrolytes loss, etc. Then defensive functions. So blood plays an important role in the defense of the body, like neutrophils, monocytes, and these cells are engulfed the bacteria by the phagocytosis, and lymphocytes are involved in the development of the immunity. Thank you.